Hi everyone, this is Anthea here with ASBA Creative Studio. I am just coming to you to give you a tutorial on how to add a row to our menu templates. We have a couple of menu templates on Etsy and on our website at asbacreativestudio.com. And one of the questions that we get is how do we add a row that is similar to the design that we have created? So let's get started. All right, here is a menu template that has been customized. Basically, we've added color to it. They're usually in black and white. So I'm going to show you how to add a row that has this similar format. So what you do is you click on the row and you hit tab. And what you're going to see here is that you see a row with two columns. So that's definitely different from what you see above. But what you do is you copy, you highlight, you copy. For some reason, it doesn't copy the whole thing. So you just press Shift on your keyboard and the down arrow key. And if it does that, you just go up one. And you click on Command C or Control C for copy. And you click in the row that you just created and click on paste. So Control V or Command V. And there you go. That creates another row for you to edit. So basically that's it for this tutorial. Just wanted to show you how to add a row. Contact us at asbacreativestudio.com for any questions. Right, thank you.